So today is the day that I become an iPad baby. Feel like I got a fake iPad. I didn't know iPads were that expensive. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and literally everything is not very girly anymore. Don't really know how to replace that. But anyways, hi guys. My cat is trying to eat one of my plants. So today is the day that I become an iPad baby. I'm a full grown woman of 23 of age, but I'm about to be an iPad baby. Yay! My second laptop started like kind of breaking. And the reason I have a second laptop is because I don't have a TV in my house. So when I work, I have a second laptop that I watch TV on. The second laptop was given to me by someone else. Whatever. So it's finally stopped working. So now I was like, oh, I need a replacement of like somewhere to watch as I work. And I was like, iPad time. Like I knew it would come to this eventually. I didn't get a fancy iPad. This isn't a good video. I literally got it off Amazon. Just the cheapest I could find. It took me so long to film this video. I got my iPad Tuesday, it's Friday. It's the Apple iPad Air 10.9 inch, Wi-Fi, 64 gigabytes, space gray, latest model, 4th generation, renewed. And it was $400. I didn't know iPads were that expensive. I literally thought they were like $300. I thought they were like an Apple Watch. I'm an idiot. But anyways, this is literally just to watch shows, like nothing else. I kind of want to open the case first. I'm not really an iPad girly. They kind of cringe me out, not gonna lie. I'm a laptop girl, so but who knows, maybe from this experience I'll fall absolutely in love, you know? I got this cute little pink little case, and I made sure it's foldable so I could watch my TV shows this way. What way? Yeah, so, I mean, this is her. Nice, fun, hopefully it fits. Anyways, it's from Amazon, so there's really no fun unboxing. I literally don't know why I'm filming this video, I'm sorry. Feel like I got a fake iPad. That's what this feels like right now. This is the quartz. Yeah, this is like a fake iPad. Like, what is this charger? Like, what brand is this? Unboxing my fake iPad. Okay, well, good thing she's packaged well. ASMR time. Fun. Give me a second, we're gonna charge her. Outfit was kind of changed because I filmed a bunch of stuff while this was charging. By the way, I filmed a lot of TikToks, so come follow me on TikTok. I just did a story time about a really weird guy I almost dated. Anyways, this is from Gentle Herd. Use my code Biana25 if you want some lovely clothes. This isn't that video, I just filmed that video. Whatever. So the iPad is ready. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. She says hello. She says hola. Let's get her. Let's get her. I've never had an iPad before. This is crazy to me. Okay. This is so massive. Like, I asked my friend Medin because he's really good at tech stuff and I always ask him for every help, advice, and any tech stuff. He's also helped out in some of my tech videos in the past. And I was like, what iPad should I get that's the cheapest? And he's like, Lord, please just don't get a home button. And I was like, okay, so this is the cheapest without a home button. Do you guys have iPads? Are iPads like a normal thing to have? Place your finger where? Cover? Oh, the touch button. The finger thingy is like up here on the little button. And that's where the Touch ID is. Oh, that's crazy. I feel like such an iPad baby. And this is massive, guys. This is like a massive thing. I'm like changing outfits, changing angles. I've never had to like get a new like Apple object and not transfer the data. Also, this is charging like super slowly. I think the charger's just bad because it's not like an Apple charger. I do want to try the case on. I like light mode because I'm insane. A lot of people on TikTok were commenting that and they're like, why is everything you own in light mode? And it's because I like to work a lot, so I like when things are blinding because I'm insane. So all I got this for is just to watch Hulu and Netflix and HBO Max. Ooh, this camera. Selfie, first unboxing. This is like the first time I've ever used an iPad. This looks cool. And I could text. I'm gonna text him. I'm an iPad baby. This is the charger, by the way. But I would, if you're getting a refurbished random iPad from online, I would say get your own charger because this charger is the worst. Anyways, this looks pretty good. I guess I'll let you guys know if I ever have any problems, but this looks pretty good, not gonna lie. This could be like a Kindle. That's what this could be good for. I used to really love Kindles. So like this is like a Kindle. Like thinking about what I could even do with an iPad. Anyways, let's put on the case. I'm gonna plug her out and she's gonna die immediately. Got our cute little case. Oh, she fits. Yay. Look at the pink. Ah, so cute. There we go, there we go. She just stands. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, this video has no more substance. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this useless video. Really appreciate it. I have an iPad now. I'm probably gonna get a keyboard and stuff too. Oh, this Touch ID on the top, that's just really cool. That's really cool. Just realized you have to have AirPods because there's no hole to like plug in regular headphones. Okay. All right, bye guys, thanks for watching.